Right after Ramadan, the first thing Allah talked about is don't do corrupt things with your money. That's the first thing Allah talked about. It's as if you've truly understood the greatness of Allah, then you and I have truly understood the importance of being honest and halal in all of our financial dealings. Don't eat somebody else's money using falsehood. Don't lie about what you owe them. Don't scam somebody out of a deal. If you're a contractor, don't con your customer. If you're a lawyer, don't lie to the judge to win a case so your client can win more money. That's Allahu Akbar in real life. It's not just Allahu Akbar when we stand in salah. It's not just Allahu Akbar when we're not eating while we're fasting. Now it's Allahu Akbar in money matters. That's actually the real test. That's the real, and there are people that owe inheritance money to their sister, to their mother, and they're not giving it. There are people that owe inheritance money, there are people that are not giving mahar to their wife. Money matters. And yet, all of Ramadan they fasted. And Eid they're celebrating. What celebration is this when Allah is not Akbar in these things? When you don't respond to these things? And then you say, yeah, Eid Mubarak, I'm so happy. I'm so glad, give me a hug. We have to become honest with ourselves. We have to ask ourselves why the Ummah ends up in the state that it is. Maybe, just maybe, it has to do with my personal obedience to Allah before we look at anybody else in the Ummah. Maybe I need to check, where am I going wrong? Where am I not responding to Allah? Because I really want Allah to hear my du'as, and I don't want, Allah will not hear something that is insincere. Allah will not respond to something insincere. And this is the height of insincerity. Disobey Allah on the one hand and ask Allah on the other. May Allah Azza wa Jal this Eid grant us all sincerity. May Allah Azza wa Jal truly allow us to celebrate the worship and the obedience to Allah. And may Allah Azza wa Jal bring us closer and closer to His word and put a love and concern for each other in all of our hearts. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Wallahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Walillahi alhamd.